So for the next one I am going to do, it is the exercise for space. So space refers to the distance between, around, and within shapes. So, for example, this is the space within a shape. It's considered the positive space. And this is the shape around the space. That's considered the negative. You have space with overlapping. One thing is in front of the other. Space can also be shown through size. Something bigger is going to be closer to the viewer than something smaller. Space can be shown through color variation. So the printout didn't do it very well, but essentially something far away is typically going to be lighter than something close. And perspective, when you're starting to enter that 3D realm and make things go away in the distance, that is also space. Space is really important to think about when you are looking at how to lay out your artwork. For example, if you want something really, really close, you're gonna make it a lot bigger than if you want something super far away. The names for these are foreground, midground, and background. We also think about space within and around an actual object. For example, with this piece of scissors, the positive is the space within the object, so that's the physical scissors, and the negative is the space around the object. So, your task is to create a small art piece using a positive and negative space and construction paper. So I'm going to start by getting my materials. All right, so because this is the part of the flower that was cut out, this would be considered the negative of the flower petals, and this would be considered the positive. And for the middle, it's the opposite. This is the positive, because this is where I added the yellow. This is where I added the petals. And this is considered the negative, because it's where it was subtracted. It's where it was cut out. So that is an example of positive and negative space.